In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to manage tasks with the reverse calendar method. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello, I'm Christine B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show. Here I help you boost productivity and stay organized to help you handle whatever life throws at you. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos and podcasts every week. You can also shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. Thank you, patrons and channel members, for supporting the show. Now let's get into this episode. Helping you plan for what's to come. How to trick your future self into not panicking at 11:59 p.m. before a deadline. It's called the reverse calendar method, and trust me, it is truly a game changer. This time, I won't procrastinate. I've got this. Also you, 7 days later, why is my calendar just crying? Deadlines can creep up faster than any grandmother's gossip. You're hit with unexpected meetings, flaming emails, and somehow you spent 3 hours reorganizing your inbox by color-coded range. It's complete chaos, but it doesn't have to be. You swear that you won't wait until the last minute this time, and the deadline is next week. However, you begin to lose control over your time and the days just go by. Your project is put on hold by daily demands, unexpected meetings, and urgent emails. Before you realize that you find yourself in a predicament you have been trying to avoid. Too little time and too much work. What if the cycle could be broken somehow? What if you've never had to worry about time limitations at the last minute again? An unappreciated time and task management strategy for finishing your chores and reaching your objectives is using the reverse calendar method. In this episode, I'll go into further detail about this method to provide a list of practical uses and walk you through the process for using the reverse calendar method in your everyday work. The reverse calendar approach helps you remain ahead of schedule and prevent the stress of last-minute crunch time by working backward from your deadline and segmenting your project into smaller, more manageable milestones. For instance, you can designate certain tasks such as research on Monday, outlining on Tuesday, and writing on Wednesday, and revisions on Thursday if your report is truly due on Friday. This methodical methodology guarantees consistent advancement, holds you responsible, and permits adaptability in the event of unforeseen disruptions. What is the reverse calendar method? Well, let's break the cycle with the reverse calendar method, the task management equivalent of using Jedi mind tricks on your own schedule. You can start from the deadline and work backward. That's it. It's like time travel, but instead of fighting robots, you're just actually getting things done for once. There's a work back timetable for a reverse calendar approach. You choose the ultimate deadline and then outline the required procedures in reverse chronological sequence, as opposed to starting with today and working your way forward. In order to avoid last-minute scrambling, this approach guarantees that you finish all of your assignments on time and offers a detailed step-by-step strategy before your deadline. Because you can allot enough time for each activity and modify your plan as necessary to stay on course. It works especially well for complicated projects with several stages. The reverse calendar method, how to use it to help you get started with the reverse calendar approach. Here is a detailed guide. 1. Determine the best time to complete your job. Make sure you know exactly when you must finish or even deliver the assignment. Inform your staff of the deadline and confirm with customers or even any external stakeholders. Establish internal milestones to keep the project on track when you have a fixed deadline. Assign due dates to each step of the project to allow for reviews, changes, and even unforeseen delays. Sharing these internal deadlines with your team encourages responsibility and keeps everyone on the same page, which minimizes last-minute scrambling and boosts productivity. Tip 2, break the work up into discrete steps. Divide the project in its entirety into more achievable tasks or even milestones. You can better grasp the true extent of the assignment by taking this step. Because you have a clear plan to follow, it also makes the work easier to handle. You can more efficiently manage time and resources by segmenting the project into distinct doable segments. To guarantee consistent progress, give each task a priority level and expected time of completion. This method keeps the project on track without causing last-minute stress, since it not only avoids overwhelm, but also enables prompt modifications in the event that unforeseen difficulties can emerge. Tip 3, reverse the task order. Reverse the order of tasks rather than beginning at the beginning and working your way forward, as in standard project planning. Start with a finished project and work your way back to the beginning. With this top-down method, you won't overlook any important elements and will be in line with the final date. Working backwards allows you to spot dependencies and possible obstacles early on, preventing important stages from being missed. This approach makes the entire process more efficient by establishing a logical flow in which each activity directly supports the one before it. Better time estimation is also made possible because you will know exactly how long each step will take you to complete before the very last minute. Tip 4. Give each step that has been reversed a reasonable time frame. Your work may be broken down into days, weeks, or even months using the Trident calendar system. Consult your team if you're working with one to make sure everyone is in an assignment. Arrange the dates so that they build up to the ultimate project deadline when you cross them off in reverse order. Establishing precise deadlines for every stage guarantees consistent advancement and keeps bottlenecks from building up as the due dates draw closer. In order to accommodate for unforeseen delays or even adjustments, buffer time should also be included. By keeping track of these many deadlines, establish responsibility and a sense of urgency that makes it simpler to remain on track and keep a consistent workflow free from last-minute stress. Tip 5. Include step-by-step instructions. It's time to provide specifics for every task and milestone. The following are important details to mention. The assignee. Assign the assignment to the relevant individual. Assign the assignment to the relevant person or even group. Priorities. To properly prioritize, mark the tasks that are important. Dependencies. Identify any relationships between jobs. For example, it's a dependence if your marketing effort needs the CEO's permission. Resources required. Enumerate the equipment, records, and other pertinent data needed to finish each stage. By including these specifics, the project will remain clear and efficient. Setting priority aids in directing effort where it is most needed, and clearly identifying roles reduces misunderstandings. By identifying dependencies, bottlenecks are avoided and no job is delayed because necessary permissions or requirements are absent. Furthermore, execution is streamlined when all required resources are easily accessible, freeing up the crew to concentrate on advancement rather than scurrying for knowledge. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 6. Maintain a buffer. Set up money for unforeseen problems. They visit more frequently than we would like, therefore it's best to be ready for them when they appear. You can reduce the chance of a delay and maintain concentration on your task, even in the face of little setbacks, if the additional time is already factored into your plan. A well-thought-out buffer also improves workflow, flexibility, and lowers stress. When unforeseen obstacles occur, you can easily modify your timetable without endangering the ultimate deadline, rather than rushing to make up for lost time. Since you won't have to scramble through assignments at the last minute, this proactive strategy not only increases efficiency, but also permits higher quality work. Tip 7. Monitoring the work completed thus far. I used to put off working ahead of schedule since I didn't know what had already been done, which made it take longer to sort things out than to start every day from scratch like Groundhog Day. A Kanban board, for instance, may be used to visually measure your progress. It can be a physical board with sticky notes or even a digital platform like Trello or even Asana. Organizing activities into columns using labels like to do, in progress, and completed gives you a clear picture of where you are at. In this manner, you can continue working steadily and quickly instead of wasting time figuring out what has already been completed. Keeping a straightforward progress journal or even a daily log is another useful strategy. To guarantee that no effort is lost in misunderstandings, write a quick note at the conclusion of each work session, outlining accomplished tasks and even upcoming steps. Having a reference point, whether it be a notepad, an app for collecting digital notes, or even a voice recording, enables you to begin each day with confidence and clarity, rather than feeling trapped in a rut. For a more automatic method, think about employing time tracking applications like Clockify or even Toggle. With the help of these tools, you can keep track of your working hours, organize your projects, and create reports that highlight your accomplishments. You can evaluate productivity patterns and make changes to increase efficiency by going over these reports at the end of every week. Additionally, seeing concrete evidence of your advancement may serve as a powerful incentive to keep going. Making a done list in addition to a to-do list is another helpful method. A done list emphasizes what you've already finished, whereas a to-do list concentrates on the chores that need to be done in the future. This easy routine not only helps avoid duplication of effort, but also strengthens a sense of accomplishment. Examining your to-do list at the end of each day or week might reveal trends that can help you improve your workflow and make more reasonable future objectives. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. Tip 1, determine the best time to complete your job. Tip 2, break the work up into discrete steps. Tip 3, reverse the task order. Tip 4, give each step a deadline. Tip 5, include step-by-step instructions. Tip 6, maintain a buffer. Tip 7, monitoring the work completed thus far. Plans are nothing. Planning is everything. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Having a professional career advisor assist you in creating your steps and strategies, provide support when they run across roadblocks, is beneficial for so many people. Research consistently demonstrates that the same initial step, a thorough career assessment that takes into account aptitudes and interests, provides job suggestions that are the greatest fit, is the key to making excellent career selections and good plans to become reality more quickly. A comprehensive career evaluation reveals hidden abilities and other career routes you might not have thought about, in addition to highlighting your strengths. These evaluations offer a clear path to match your career path with positions that optimize your abilities by examining your skills, hobbies, and even working style. With this knowledge, you can make better judgments and lower the chance of choosing a job that doesn't fit your long-term objectives or skill set. Furthermore, using career evaluations in combination with expert advice can hasten your development. A career counselor can assist in analyzing your findings, making customized strategy recommendations, and developing doable plans to close any skill gaps. You can stay proactive in a work market that is ever-changing, negotiate better possibilities, and go through career transitions with confidence thanks to your experience. Huge thank you to the patrons. Woo! I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.